Hello guys, welcome to Index Trader channel. Today we are going to see about the expiry trading analysis of Nifty for tomorrow, that is 6th August. So it's a continuation video of last Sunday. So last Sunday we saw that Nifty will trade between 11,300 to 10,800 or 900. So Nifty can take support in between 10,900 to 11,000. That's what we discussed, and accordingly Nifty took support from 11,000, that is 10,900 near about, and it was trading now above 10,000, 11,000. So as we discussed, so 11,000 acting as a strong support as of now. So now we move on to the analysis for tomorrow. So let's take a quick decision on various setups and the trading range. Watch till the end to know the range exactly. So now we move on to the trading setup. That is our first setup, the EMA setup. In the EMA setup, it is right now you can see that EMA 20 is acting as a support. So we discussed that Nifty can try to hit this EMA 20 and then it can move towards upside after taking support. So exactly it took support, even though there was a candle closing on Monday downside, but FII is smartly taken up and removed all the retailers by going into bearish mode. So now the Nifty is moving towards 11,400 and 500 range, but slight a bit ups and downs we can expect. But right now we can see that EMA 20 is acting as a strong support. So this setup is giving a bullish view, even though there is a bearish candle formed today. Now we move on to the next setup, that is a Fibonacci setup. In the Fibonacci we can see that it is in between the range what we had discussed, but we need to check for the closing above this range for further movement for hitting the top and then to continue further upside. But as of now it is in between this range, so it is not giving a better view, but you can see that a support has been made and it is moving towards the top side, because you can see that whenever there was a support taken here, again there was a support taken here, there was a support taken, now it is again a support has been taken and then moving towards this upside. Now we will check the weekly price action. In the weekly price action also, now it is trading above the closing of the last week, so little bit bullish only, not exactly bearish, and it took support, so it try to hit the top, and it is taking resistance at this point. Now we move on to the price action daily setup. In the daily setup you can see that this trend line which acting as a support earlier, now it is acting as a resistance. So that is the reason today it hit the trend line and then there was a profit booking happen. So now there are probability that it can test again this one. So probability that if tomorrow the bullish view is if you go by the bullish view, then this top end, that is 250, can be acting as a resistance, and bottom if you can see 11,000, that is 11,000 can be acting as a support point. So in between this range only, as per this setup giving a range, so that is 11,000 to 11,250. We will go through other data points also. So if you go by the cash data, FIIs are buyers, net buyers in this month, and DIIs were net sellers. So today slight bit of profit booking, and because of it you can say only a negligible amount of selling have been done. But overall if you can see this month FIIs have been net buyers. For the past 1 month they have been also, last month also they have been net buyers, and the buying is continuing. Now we move on to the derivative data. So in the derivative data we can see that FIIs booked slightly, they have booked the longs today when index opened a gap up, and we can see that there was some profit booking happen, and because of it some long positions were covered. At the same time they had covered some short positions also. If you compare the put positions, they had taken put shorts, that has given a slight relief that downside is limited and upside is open. and they had booked only the profit booking had been done, but not the short positions had been taken. So we can expect a limited downside and maximum upside as per the FII data. But if you go by the client positions, they had taken away today by they had taken longs. At the same time, they had covered their future positions, and their short positions also got covered, and because of it, few FIIs and DIIs had taken down the market. So tomorrow there are probability that they can take the market up by hitting the retailers more. If you compare the proprietary traders, they had taken more of a both the positions, that is the future as well as future. They had taken shorts because of hedging, and you can see that put positions also they had increased, and they had increased call side also. So there are more probability that downside is limited and the upside is also limited because of the enormous huge short positions taken. But if market is bullish, then definitely they can cover their shorts. So in a conclusion, we can say that FIIs are bullish and clients also slightly bullish, but proprietary traders turn bearish. But because of the premium meeting day today, so we cannot expect much more. Only the profit booking had been done. So now we look on to the option chain analysis. In the option chain, we can see that there are some important things we need to note down. The immediate support is at 11,000, so where the maximum positions had been built, and the next maximum positions built at the put side are the 11,100. So going by the price action, 11,100 can be the strong support only by the price action. If you can see by the option chain, this will be the support. So this is the support and this is the support for price action, and the immediate resistance is 11,200. So this is the resistance, and you can also see that there is a strong call writing had been done at this point. And if you compare the 11,100 call writing today and the put writing today, so you can see that the put writers are not giving up, and you can see a strong support here. So we can see that 11,100 will be the base for tomorrow, and the upper side is open. So we can say that 11,100 to 11,200 plus. So that can be if you can go by the bullish view, then 200 or 250 plus can be seen. But definitely hitting of 11,200 will be there because of the max pain. So the max pain is 11,200. So hitting probability of 11,200 is more than other strikes. So it all depends upon the opening. So right now US market is also bullish, and we can see that a big positive huge maybe a slight gap up opening above this 11,150 can take market to 11,200 plus. So now we move on to the levels for tomorrow. In our chart, as we discussed that it took support near 11,900, the gap had been filled, and it also take this support zone is acting as a right now a support zone only. Earlier a resistance, now it acting as a support, and you can see that a lot of support here had been done. So there is a long wicks here at this point. Even before also you can see that there was a long wick at this point, and there was continuously support taken. So similar kind of support has been taken by this 11,108. So the point is, if Nifty opens above this point, that is 11,150, then there are probability that it can move towards 11,200 plus. But if it is opening nearby, so if it is opening above this area, then above this 11,150, then there can be a support taken at 150 and then Nifty can move upside. If it is opening below this point, then this can be acting as a support point, but it all depends upon the 11,150. so there are probability more that gap up can be opened near about 11,150 to 11,200, so that either this kind of move can happen or this kind of move can happen. So it all depends upon the opening only. So accordingly you can take trade, but definitely 11,200 is will be a hit. So today there was resistance near 11,200 and that is the reason profit booking had been done, but tomorrow there are more probability that it can move towards 11,200 and towards 240. That is the resistance as of now. Once it breaks this one, then can move upside, but tomorrow we cannot expect much upside. But even though if this level, that is 220 level, is broken, we can expect big upside, but downside is limited, so the movement can be towards upside only. So hope this video will be useful to you. So similar kind of video I will continue to post. Accordingly take trade. Thanks for watching, and hit like button and subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button also, and thanks for your support. Thank you.